Hello students, welcome to class 8 maths. Today we will discuss some important questions of math for class 8 board exam. Part 1. It is part 1 of my video. First question is question 1, simplify 4 by 5 minus 3 by 10. The solution is we take LCM of 5 and 10, it becomes 10, and we solve this, simplify, we get 5 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. In question number 2, we have to add minus 2 plus 3 by 4. We take the LCM of denominator, the LCM becomes 4. Now we solve this and we get the answer minus 5 by 4. Now this is the question number 3 from chapter linear equation. Solve 5x minus 7 is equal to 18. On adding 7 both sides, we get this equation. The equation becomes 5x is equal to 25, and we solve for x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5. Question number 4 is from data handling. In data handling, question number 4, find the mean of 12, 15, 18 and 20. The sum is 65, number of items is 4, and the mean is 65 by 4. The answer is 16.25. Now, fifth question is from geometry. Area of a triangle with base 10 cm and height 8 cm is equal to what? The formula is area of triangle is half into base into height, that is half into 10 into 8, which is 40. Area is equal to 40 cm square. Now the question number 6 is from mensuration chapter. Volume of a cuboid 5 cm into 4 cm into 3 cm. Volume of cuboid is L into B into H, that is 5 into 4 into 3, 60 cm cube. The answer is 60 cm cube. Question number 7 is from linear equation, word problem. The sum of 3 consecutive integers is 72. Find the integers. The solution is let the first integer is equal to x, second will be x plus 1 because it is consecutive integers, the third is x plus 2. According to question, x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 72. Now we solve for this equation. 3x plus 3 is equal to 72. 3x is equal to 72 minus 3. 3x is equal to 69. X is equal to 23. So the numbers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. That is 23, 23 plus 1, 24, 24 plus 1, 25. Now we come to question number 8, which is from percentage and profit loss. This is a tricky question. A shopkeeper buys an article for rupees 1200 and sells it at a loss of 15%. Find the selling price. Loss is equal to 15% of 1200. That is 15 by 100 into 1200. That is equal to 180. So selling price is 1200 minus 180. That is rupees 1020. Now we come to algebraic expression, which is identity base. First evaluate 102 whole square using identity. The solution is using identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is 102 square is equal to 100 plus 2. A is equal to 100, b is equal to 2. That is a 100 square plus 2 square plus 2 into 100 into 2. That is this. And now we add this equation 10404. We get the answer 10404. Now we come to question number 10 from ratio and proportion. If 15 men can complete a work in 20 days, in how many days will 25 men complete the same work? Solution is men into days is equal to men into constant. 15 into 20 is equal to 25 into x. X will be 15 into 20 by 25. X is equal to 12 days. Now we come to question number 11, which is from geometry. In a triangle, two interior angles are 45 degree and 55 degree. Find the third angle and one exterior angle. The solution is the sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. So third angle will be 180 degree minus 45 plus 55 degree. That is 180 degree minus 100 degree. That is equal to 80 degree. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So exterior angle will be 45 degree plus 55 degree, that is 100 degree. Now we come to question number 12, which is from mensuration. Find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 12 cm and 8 cm and height is 5 cm. Solution is area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. So sum of parallel side is equal to 12 plus 8 and height is 5. So the answer will be 50 cm square on solving this step, half into 20 into 5. Now we come to question number 13, which is from data handling. The marks obtained by 8 students are this. Find the mean and median. Sum is equal to 130, mean is equal to 130 by 8, that is 16.25. Arrange in order, this becomes, so median is equal to average of 4th and 5th term, that will be 16 plus 17 by 2, that is 16.5. Now we come to question number 14, which is from cube and cuboid. Find the cost of painting a cubical box of side 4 cm if painting cost is rupees 10 per meter square. The solution is as surface area of cube is equal to 6a square, that will be equal to 6 into 4 square, 6 into 16, 96 meter square. The cost will be 96 into 10, that will be rupees 960. Okay, thank you. All these questions are helpful for you. So all the best. Thank you.